Igũtha. We are happy to have you. Thank you very much for joining us. And of course, our executive director. Hey, can we appreciate her as well?
And the citizen services.
But I was trying to summarize it. I'm Lilian Akumu from the Office of Editor General.
My question is about women empowerment.
The salaries are subject to the revenue that we collect as a country. The financial challenge is global. So long as the economy is not growing at the rate that we want it to grow, even the agitation for higher salaries just becomes an agitation.
Our focus in the next 4 days will be not just for us as women, it's about how can we take advantage of the policies that are there, the legal instruments that are there to not only to make our workplaces better, but also transform it to build our nation at large.
We recognize that true progress comes when we harness the full potential of all our members, and we are intentional about creating opportunities for women to lead and excel.